Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this very pretty pinkish magenta eye with a pop of gold. Really loving how it turned out. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. On a Morphe R39 brush, just applying this onto the outer edge, kind of tapping it in first and then blending it out. I'm just taking a MAC 217 brush. I'm just going to go ahead and buff out the edges. So I'm doing like small little circular motions and little windshield wiper motions. I'm just going to keep building up this color until I like how it looks. So I'm going to keep going back to the Morphe R39, picking up more, packing it on there again, blending it out, and then diffusing it more with the MAC 217 brush. Go ahead and take a lighter shade now. I'm taking this one right here, which is like a lilac-y color. It's like a pinkish lilac color, and I'm just taking that on a Morphe brush, applying that. I don't want to go too far up, so I'm kind of just applying it where we have that pink on the crease area, just very softly. And just taking my MAC 217 again and just kind of blending out the edges. I'm taking a Morphe M503 brush and I'm just picking up the lightest shade, which is kind of like a white, and mixing that with the beige shade. And I'm just going to kind of put that underneath my brow bone, just to kind of help all of this blend out a little bit better. And then going back into my MAC 217 brush. A little bit more just to kind of keep on packing on the color. Because you do lose a lot of the color when you're blending it out. I'm just adding a little bit more and not going all the way to the crease. going to do is cut my crease. I'm going to do like a halo eye. Okay, so I'm just taking a MAC 248 brush and I'm going to apply some Tarte Shape Tape to that. For the fun part, I'm taking INGLOT's Pigment in the number 122, and it's a very pretty like gold, but it also has like green and like a hint of like pink almost. I don't know how to explain it. Taking some of Too Faced glitter glue and just applying that to where I applied the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is just going to help for the glitter, well, for the pigment to adhere to it. This is more of a like glittery pigment, so that's going to really help it. Okay, now that I have the pigment on there, it's time to blend it all together. I'm going to go into the same shade that we took all over the lid with the Morphe R39 brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and pack more on there and then kind of blend in the pigment. Tiny little brush. This is a Morphe R321 brush, and I'm just going to go back onto the shade that we used on our lid, and I'm going to kind of help to blend out the pigment a little bit. If you feel that you lost some of the pigment, you can go ahead and apply a little bit more back onto there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and dust this off, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I just realized I had like some pink up here, and I have like a bunch of glitter fallout. So if you guys see glitter all over my face, that's because I was being messy with the pigment. Now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm basically just taking the same two shades that we used up on top, and we're going to use those for the bottom area. I'm just going to go in with the same Morphe R39 brush, but first I'm going to pick up the lilac-y shade. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply that underneath. I'm just going to go back into that brush that we used to blend out the pigment. This is the Morphe R321 brush. I keep messing that up. And I'm going to go into that very dark shade that we took all over the lid. And I'm just going to kind of work this. And apply some mascara and some falsies, and I will be right back. Okay, so we're almost done with the look now. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some highlight to my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to be using MAC's Beaming Blush Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I'm taking like a little Anastasia brush and just going right into that. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of Max Fix Plus and apply that onto the inner corner. And then to the brow bone as well. And I'm also going to highlight my face with that. Like, if you guys enjoyed it, I really like how it turned out. It's just so pretty. I've been wanting to do something like this for such a long time, and I'm glad that it turned out good. The lashes, I'm not really sure what lashes these are because I just put them in like this little case, so I don't really know what they are, so I'm sorry, but I think they're KOKO lashes. I'm not 100% sure though. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll have all the products used listed down below in the description box, and as always, I will see you guys later. Bye guys.